Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Source Codex, aka Jazz Fusion Guy. And today I'm going to talk about grinder hacks. Things that you can do with a grinder that maybe you hadn't thought about doing. I have another video up of a rebar hack where I use my grinder to put a point on rebars to make them go through whatever you're putting them through easier, especially for landscape timbers. But today I want to talk about another hack. I was just installing some Flat Rocks Pennsylvania Bluestone or whatever, and when I was digging out the area I came across this spade bit that looks in pretty bad shape. But you know, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to clean it up with the grinder. You might say, why mess with it? It's just what I do. Now, for instance, I found this screwdriver under my house, completely encrusted in rust, and now it's been repurposed using the grinder. Also, I found this nice sledgehammer under my house, left here by the former owners. It too was completely encrusted in rust. You can see some of the rust here that I didn't get off, but you know, with the grinder you can bring things back to a relatively new and useful state and lose that rust progression, stop it in its tracks, so to speak. I wish I had a before picture of this, but trust me, it looked as bad as this spade bit. Now, another thing you can do with tools, here's an edger that you would use to put an edge wherever you wanted it. And you'll notice the edge here is, I don't know, not that sharp. So we're going to put an edge back on this tool. So let's tune back in and see how things are going. In the beginning, just one side with the rough edger. Let's get back into it. The flip side is coming along. Put a little bit of bite back on this thing. Okay, I am happy with that. You don't need too much of an edge. You just need enough to cut through grass roots and whatever you're trying to edge in your yard. I find this is good for a quick removal of weeds as well. So there you have it, a quick grinder hack. We're going to do that spade bit next. Okay, this is before. Let's see what it looks after. That looking a lot better to me. 3/4 inch spade bit coming back to life. So you know, other than a little bit of shallow pitting, I'm happy with this. And it now belongs to items that I've found around the house that needed a little TLC came back to complete usefulness. All done by a grinder. So that's the end of the grinder hack. Ciao! You know, some of you might say, was it worthwhile even getting the rust off of this spade bit? Probably doesn't even work. Well, let's see about that. Well, in my opinion, I'd say it works. So should I have thrown it in the garbage, or should I have restored it with the grinder? The answer is obvious. Now, ciao.